This isn't just the fastest Ferrari ever built. This is the fastest Ferrari in history. A hybrid monster with nearly 1,000 horsepower, an F1-inspired powertrain, and launch control that'll make you feel like your soul left your body. Say hello to the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, where speed meets science fiction. Let's dive into the future of Ferrari. Ferrari has always built fast cars, but the SF90? This is Ferrari entering a new era. It's the first ever plug-in hybrid from Maranello. A bold move, blending electric innovation with the thunderous soul of a Ferrari V8. You get a 4.0-liter twin, turbocharged V8, producing 769 horsepower. And on top of that, 3 electric motors add another 217. That brings the total output to 986 horsepower, or in Ferrari terms, just a whisper under 1,000. The name SF90 pays tribute to 90 years of Scuderia Ferrari, their Formula One team. So, yes, this thing bleeds racing heritage. Let's break down the numbers, because the SF90 isn't just fast, it's absurd. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds 0 to 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour in 6.7 seconds, quarter mile in around 9.5 seconds top speed, 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour. That means it's faster than a Bugatti Veyron off the line. Faster than a LaFerrari? Faster than gravity, literally. Free-falling objects accelerate at 9.8 meters per second squared. The SF90 leaves that in the dust. It's not just about raw speed, it's how instantly it responds. There's zero turbo lag, zero hesitation. Just pure, face-melting acceleration. So, how does it do it? Let's open the hood, metaphorically. At the heart is Ferrari's F154 V8, tuned to produce insane levels of power. But the magic happens when it works with the electric motors. 2 motors are mounted on the front axle, giving you electric all-wheel drive. One motor is sandwiched between the engine and gearbox, managing torque, transitions, and energy recovery. Graphic animation, drivetrain breakdown, energy flow visualization. All of this is controlled by a sophisticated power unit control system that decides when to use gas, electric, or both. And it does it seamlessly. There are 4 driving modes: eDrive, full electric, silent, and city-ready hybrid; smart switching for efficiency performance; engine always on; prioritizing speed and charge qualify; maximum output; full fury; and no holding back. In qualify mode, this car becomes a missile. Power is nothing without control. And the SF90 has some of the most advanced handling tech Ferrari's ever built. First, there's torque vectoring, using the front motors to push power to the outside wheel in a corner. Then, you've got side slip control, an algorithm that predicts and corrects slides before they even happen. Add in the EAWD system, and you get surgical precision on the road. On top of that, you have active aerodynamics. The rear spoiler and underbody diffusers adjust in real time to give you either less drag or more downforce depending on what you're doing. Ferrari literally lets air do the work. That's F1 engineering, folks. The SF90 looks like a concept car that escaped from the future. Slim, sharp LED lights, massive air scoops, and a cockpit that feels like it was ripped from an F-22 Raptor. Step inside and you're greeted with a fully digital instrument cluster, touch-sensitive controls, and even a little eManatino switch to toggle your drive modes. But here's the surprise. It's also usable. There's a front trunk, Apple CarPlay, even an electric-only range of about 15 miles so you can quietly sneak through town. But the moment you tap that throttle, the silence ends, and the V8 roars to life like a beast waking from hibernation. Driving the SF90 is visceral. You don't just feel speed, you feel surgically connected to the car. The electric motors give you instant torque off the line. Then, the V8 slams into gear with a soundtrack that only Ferrari can deliver. It's brutally fast, but strangely calm. Everything feels balanced. Even at insane speeds, you feel in control, like the car's reading your thoughts. No drama, no chaos. Just elegance and velocity fused into one seamless experience. So, what's the price of perfection? The SF90 Stradale starts at around $524,000 USD, and that's before options. Want the Assetto Fiorano package? Add another $50,000. Want carbon fiber everywhere? Another $30,000. But here's the thing, the people buying this car don't just want a fast Ferrari. They want the pinnacle of what Ferrari can do. A blend of heritage, tech, and performance that no other car, not even Lamborghini, McLaren, or Porsche can replicate. So, let me ask you, would you take the keys to this 986 horsepower hybrid monster? Drop in the comments if the SF90 stole your heart. Hit that, like if this car just broke your brain. And subscribe, because next week, we're putting the SF90 head-to-head with the LaFerrari. Same badge, two different eras, one wild ride. Until then, keep your revs high and your grip tight. Catch you on the next one.